Now then, right, today is nightmare outside. Glorious yesterday, went winkling. Today, windy as, so I'm not going anywhere. I've got out of bed, cup of tea, stick in pyjamas, and do some cooking, some bacon. Got quite a few things going on today. Soup to make, quiche to make, besh to make, parmos to make for the kids. Mel wants a stroganoff, and I've got spag bol. Nightmare, swear down. Good job I like cooking, isn't it? Right, well today I'm going to make a butternut squash soup. I bet a lot of you go past it in the cinema. I know, shows you, I've just got up in the supermarket probably every week and think, what's that? Well, that is absolutely superb. Member of the pumpkin family. It's good for fibre, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, that kind of stuff. Very healthy. So it can use for a lot of stuff, for risottos, soup, which I'm going to make now, pasta, diced up as a vegetable, put in pies. It's absolutely superb and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to show you how to prep it and how to make a quick, simple, easy soup with it. All right, let's go. Right, there's lots of ways you can prep it, to peel it wise. I'm just going to show you a quick, simple way. What I do, take the top off. Take the bottom off and you'll see like a neck and a big fat bulbous on the end like a pear. So look at the end of the straight and just cut straight through there. Now that one should leave solid, but that one is hollow with all the seeds in. That's hollow, and I prepped them like slightly different. So this, all you do is you'll see the different colour. See the different colour going round. All you need to do is go around the skin bit and they're like the very dull yellow, and keep the orange. So with your knife, you just trim, nice sharp knife. I'm using a bread knife, that's all I've got at the moment. Go all the way down like that, all the way along. Just watch your fingers. You can use a peeler if you've got a sharp peeler, but it will take a little bit longer. All the way down. Right, that's the first one done. This one the same. Go down the edge. It's all done. Just turn it as you go along. And they're quite cheap. I only paid about £1.20 for this in Aldi's. And there we have the seeds. And all we do with the seeds is get a spoon and just dig in all the little like fibrous kind of stuff there. Scrape all the seeds out. You can wash the seeds, probably plant them if you've got a little greenhouse. Plant them, give them a go. I don't know, never tried it. But you can also wash them, toast them in a dry pan, and you come like a nutty flavour. So they're quite tasty. Again, to put in the soup as a garnish, you just scoop it out like that. Very, very simple. Now just to dice it up. And all I'll do then is take nice slices. Sometimes you get these a bit on the tough side, but not so bad. And again, just cut fingers, like little sticks if you call them. Group them together and watch your fingers, whatever dice you want. Now I'm making soup, so it doesn't matter how small or how big I put them in, because it's all going to get mushed anyway. I'm showing you how you can dice them. So again, just cut the fingers like that, all nice and uniform, as big and small as you want. You can blanch that off, you can roast it, put it in the oven with some oil, some garlic, roast it off, have it in your risotto, in pasta. It's absolutely superb stuff. Nice raw roll, nice and sweet. But I'm making a soup, so to be honest, all I need to do is just a quick rough dice up, like so. Some more there. So with soup, doesn't matter. All goes to a puree. So that's done. Let's add the other stuff. Pan already. So some ingredients I'm going to add. I've got some chopped garlic. Again, much as you want. Don't like garlic, I guess keep on saying, don't put it in. Some onions, sweet potatoes. That'll help thicken it and give it a different texture as well. I like sweet potatoes. You put another potato into there, so do a 50-50 or a 70-30, makes no difference. I've got no stock at the moment, so you can use normal water and some stock cubes. So it's as simple as that. Salt, pepper, and just a touch of cumin. Again, it's like a very mild spice. I think it goes great with sweet potato, butternut squash soup. Just gives that a tiny bit of kick without any heat, but just nice flavour. So we're going to combine all of that together and fill it with water. Alright. So I've got everything in there, salt, pepper, all my ingredients. This is the cumin I'm putting in. Again, don't have to put it in, but I think it's nicer flavour, and plus that bag there for about 2-3 years, so it does last. Sort it out. Again, don't put too much in. Just a good, I'd say, good teaspoon. And then just some hot water. Well, I've got some hot water from the kettle to make it a bit quicker. So I've kettled my water just to make it quicker, that's all. Usually cold water, boil it. Now you just want to cover the soup. I don't start messing on thickening it, because it'll thicken on its own. Find me wooden spoon. So just wants to cover the vegetables. And what we do now, we bring that to the boil, make sure it's all nice and soft. Hand blender, give it a good whisk, and add some cream. Job done. Let you know when it's all done. Nice and soft. Get the puree. Again, the smaller you cut it, the quicker it'll take, and it's easier to blitz down, but it doesn't really matter, just take a little bit longer. Just mix it down so it's absolutely smooth. And then add your double cream, as much as you want, as little as you want. I've got a full tub in there, and I'll wash that out and put some more. Just wash the tub out with a bit of water. Waste nothing. And that's it. One soup done. And if it is too thin, all you do is get a bit of corn flour in a cup with a touch of water, mix it round and add it to the warm, and then just cook it for another 10 minutes, and that will thicken it up. Alright, so that's one butternut squash soup done.